Recording is live. I'm fine, guys. Thank you for asking. Happy Navratri to every single one of you. Okay. Chalo. What else? So Rakesh bhai, you have to write to support for that. This is not the right channel to ask that question. Don't worry. Okay. Happy Navratri to everyone. I have turned on the recording. Guys. Today we are going to do something which might make you go crazy because let me show you what we are planning to do. By the way, since today's Navratri, guys, I know many of you have requested to cancel the session, but I cannot do it because there are other people who want to learn. So I've kept a short learning session. Sab सीखेंगे, सब मजा आएगा. Let me show you what we are going to do. See this. Guys, we are going to first convert a set of images into one image. Can I get wow in the chat? इसको ऐसा बनाएंगे. Can I get wow in the chat? कैसे बनाना है? How we are going to do? What is the prompt? Everything will be given by Hardik. Is that a wow in the chat? And not just that, guys, we are not going to stop here. We are going to convert this video into this. Can I get crazy in the chat? See this.
Hi, how are you?
How are you? Can you answer that in the chat? I have a question for everyone.
Hi, how are you?
Maza aega? Are you excited? Can I get E in the chat? So this is the assignment that we are going to do today. By using free AI tools. Someone is asking, Hardik, do I have to pay for this? Nobody, you don't have to pay a single rupee from your pocket. Chill and relax. Sab मैं बताऊंगा. Do not worry about the same. ठीक है? Super excited. Everything is good to go. Can we start? Yes. चलो अब पागल हो जाऊंगा. No need to become पागल. चलो perfect. विवेक भाई थैंक यू सो मच तुसी ग्रेट हो नो प्रॉब्लम नाउ आई एम क्लोजिंग द चैट अभी देखो क्या करना है Hardik, which tool we are going to use? So, guys, if I don't know how many people are consistent with their classes, and I know there are some few participants who have joined in recently, तो मैं आपको बताता हूँ. First, we tried to explore this particular thing. I will just show you. Seed Dream 4. Now, what is the problem with this? SIDDIM 4.0 is the most advanced version on this planet Earth when it comes to AI video creation. So, Hardik, are we going to learn this? Are we going to create this? Or are we going to use this? As of now, the answer is no. Why? Because the answer is this is China tool, Chinese company. So I'm going through the documentations, I'm reading the terms and policies, and all of that is yet to be done from my side. Once I am satisfied that there is no risk with this, once I am satisfied कि इसमें कोई data privacy, data security का issue नहीं है, only then I will teach you. So Hardik, then what should we do with our AI classes? What should we learn right now? Let me give you the solution. The tool, the company which we can trust on, that's Google Gemini. So now many people already have access to Google Gemini. It's absolutely free of cost. Nano Banana, you can use it for absolutely free of cost for 1 whole year. Hardik, can I use it in a free version? I can see you are using a license version. So मैं दोनों में करके बताऊंगा. Don't worry. See this. I have my personal version as well, which is not a pro version. As you guys can see, it's asking for upgrade. So दोनों में हो सकता है chill and relax. ठीक है? See this. Here also you get the image generation capabilities. ठीक है? Now, first thing first, Hardik, I'm a beginner. I'm someone who's a 40-year-old, 60-year-old. मेरे को पता ही नहीं how to reach here. How do I get on this particular desktop screen which you're like showing us? Okay, so very simple है, chill है. Even if you're a not non-tech savvy person, simply open your search bar and write Google Gemini. इतना ही लिखना है Google Gemini and the first thing I will just show you on your screen. First URL दिख जाएगा. Simply open that. See this. You will be coming on the same website. In case if you don't see it, एक ही रहेगा. There might be only one chance that you have not signed in using your Google account. So Hardik, how to do that? यहाँ पे एक दिखेगा sign in option. Click on that and sign in with your Google account. Chill, relax. Any account is fine. Now, have you all got how to reach on this particular screen? Can I start with the exercise now? Is that a yes in the chat box? Abhi open a chat box. Is that a yes? All the late joiners, don't worry. We are just getting started. You haven't missed out on a single thing. Yes, samajh gaya. We are ready. Perfect. Chalo. Now I'm closing the chat. I'm closing the chat. First thing first. Hardik, what different things I can do? So see this, make my own custom minifigure. This is all trending right now. I'm going to show you how these tools are having a sense of thinking power as well. So I will just show you to you. See this, I will just like follow this. I will just going to upload a tool पहले तो I will just write here create a image. So we want to create a image. So I will यहाँ पे setting है, ठीक है. So you can use this tool for deep search, image creation, canvas, create video नहीं दिखेगा. It's just with pro version. But free में you can still create an image without paying a single rupee from your pocket. So chill and relax, ठीक है. Now I will upload a file. So let's say I want to upload a file ये वाला चलो. I want to upload a file which is this. Now this is the file. If I just show it to you people, I will show you in my desktop as well. पहले everyone look at the file first. Where is the file? Here it is file. See this. Now I'm trying to create a different angle. Can you see this? कि यहाँ पे तो एक ही angle है हार्दिक. This is only one angle. How you can create another angle? Like AI को पता कैसे चलेगा? That's the beauty. That's the magic we are learning right now. So see this. I'm going to put it here. I'm going to upload that particular file again. Where is that file? You can upload any image, guys. There is no categorization of any image. Okay? So I've uploaded one image and I've already written one prompt. Refer to this image, generate three different angles. Now I've written here three, but the free version will only allow you to generate one image. So I'm writing here, generate one image from different views. From different views, 360-degree overhead view. तो 360-degree overhead view करते पहले. See this, I'm going to just write here, don't change the girls appreciation को boys कर देंगे. Girls in the room use girl and outfit change नहीं करना है, ठीक है? I will give you this prompt in the chat box, don't worry. Chalo, meanwhile, just let me share the prompt with you people as well. I will just write here Control C and I will just meanwhile send it to you people. You can just take a snapshot of it, write it down या फिर recording में देख के खुद से लिख लेना, please. I'm telling you, no one will email me कि Hardik, please send me this prompt. Please don't be a lazy person. I hope you are someone who is productive enough to write 3 lines for yourself, right? Don't write me an email to send me this prompt. I hope you understand that. Now guys, see the power of AI. Can you see this? This was the original image. This is the image where it has changed the view. Now we are having a top view. Hardik, can we do another view as well? Let's try it out. What's the harm in that? See this. Now I'm going to change it to, let's say, an elevated view or a back view. Let's try a back view. It might sound crazy, but let's try to do it. Now I'm going to change it. I'm going to paste this prompt, refer to this image. Now, or else I will directly write here. Now create an image with backside view. Now guys, understand the thought process here. Can you just imagine, can your brain even think of this, that you're telling a tool to imagine the backside में backside से कैसे दिख रहा हो? Now guys, see this. This is the image, back view. Now what is the use of this? Like what is the potential of it? Like the sky is the limit. Not even sky, your brain power is your limit. What if someone can think of make Hardik sitting here on the sofa? Possible. People used to think basic ki remove the image, change the color of the shirt, also basic ho gaya. Now you can even change the angle. Now see this. Now create an image with side angle. Hardik, but how does even AI know about your side angle? हमने तो सीधा ही angle दिया है. You didn't even give your back view, but it has created a back view. Now you're telling it to give a side angle. How is that even humanly possible? And that's the beauty of AI, which human cannot even do. It is doing it. See this, guys, side angle. Now Hardik, what if the face is little bit abrupt? It doesn't matter. वो थोड़ा थोड़ा prompt करके you can fix that as well. But the idea here is to show you the potential of it. And let me tell you, whatever we are going to learn today on this call, 23rd of September, this is not even 2% of it. But I want to see your reaction on 2%. 98% तो बाकी है. We are going to come to the brand applications as well. I know you are corporate professionals. We are going to come on brand implications as well. Don't worry. But isn't it crazy, guys? Can I get crazy in the chat? back view, side view, top view in just one image. Crazy. Ali is written crazy with multiple Y. Can we change the text and replace with same font, Abhijit ji? Absolutely yes. The sky is the limit. Renuka, that's what I said. You can even fix your face as well. Hadi, can we change the background? Yeah, absolutely. You can change the background as well. You can tell it to have some different background. Crazy. Nitin, we can do that as well. Hadi, can we change the formal outfit? Sub karte. Try, will do it one thing at a time. Now I'm closing the chat. Next thing which I've thought of is I will start with a new exercise. Let's forget the old exercise. Guys, I was thinking, let's say I own a company. We like all the people who know me here, they know I'm a founder of a company called Skill Nation. Okay? Now, what I was thinking of, what if I want to build a brand? Like, how does a brand consist of? It creates a logo, ye wo different rehta, right? So what I thought of is I enabled Nano Banana, jo free mein, neither you have to pay for it, neither I am paying for it. You can upload a file. What I thought of is uploading my logo. So I'm uploading my company's logo here. Just a sec. Where is my company logo? It's all file. It's not looking here. Just let me open it here somewhere. Uh, where is that logo? I think I missed. नहीं ये रहा logo यहाँ पे. So see this. I will upload it here. So I've uploaded my logo. I'm trying to create an image. Now I've written a prompt for this. See this. I will not read out the prompt. I will just click on OK and then we'll see the output first. How the output is coming. It's from a corporate point of view, from a brand building point of view. The people who are involved here as senior executives of their respective companies, wherever you're working in, just see the potential of it. Now see this. Okay, I think I've not selected the image creation wala feature, but let's wait for the output. Then we'll do that. No problem. I think it's generating an image. Okay. Oh, guys, it's creating multiple images. Now see this. ठीक है? See this, guys. Now, what is the prompt, Hardik? Now see the prompt. I've told it to refer the logo, create a set of visual designs, outdoor sports named Skill Nation. The product includes a bag. So पहले bag मिला. Bag पे मेरा logo दिखेगा कैसे? Then we have something called as cap. Cap पे मेरा logo कैसे दिखेगा? Can you see this, guys? It's a cap. Now, Hardik, why everything is green in color? Because मैंने green intentionally रखा है. You can even change that. हम try कर लेंगे. No problem. See this. How the packaging on my box will look like. How does the ID of my employees? I hope everyone here might be wearing an ID in your office. I think we are all familiar with this. See this. हाँ आईडी पे मेरा लोगो कैसा दिखेगा ऑफ माई ओन कंपनी कैन यू इवन इमेजिन दैट बैंड पीपल समटाइम्स एचआर गिव अस सम काइंड ऑफ बैंड्स राइट ऑन दिवाली ये वो रहता है राइट सी दिस how it will look like. So if you're an HR, you can do this. If you're a marketing guy, you can use it. If you're a person who is a senior executive of your company, a decision maker, a person who has the decision making powers, आप इसके साथ कुछ भी कर सकते हो. The possibilities are endless. How many people are going crazy? A entire brand setup. Hardik, but मेरे दिमाग में ये, let's say there is someone called as Riya, Anand Bhai, Vijay Rao. We have so many people. Mary, Nitin. कोई बोलेगा Hardik, I have this idea. Hardik, I have that idea. The idea here is all your ideas can become reality. If I have to sum up everything in one line. जो भी आप सोच सकते हो, whatever you can think of, you can bring it into existence. That's the power we all are having here in our hand as of 23rd of September. And that's what I keep saying. This is again just the beginning. This is not even peak of AI era. We are at the beginning of AI era. And that's what I have told you again and again in the workshop as well. Ki bhai AI seekhna hai. There is no other way around. We have to learn AI. And all the modern tech, see this, whenever the mobile came, you have learned it automatically, irrespective of your age. You know how to use a mobile phone. So your age is not a problem. The mindset is the problem. That's what I'm trying to fix with this examples. कि इतना easy है. Can I get wow in the chat? Maza aaya. How many people are like, Hardik, I've got so many ideas in my head because of this. I can do this, I can do that. Is it a wow in the chat? Water bottle? Wow, craze going bonkers, Sajia. Chalo, perfect. 10,000 ideas. Can we use it for 3D printing? Yes, absolutely, Serik. Wow, raise to N. Pradeep bhai, that's innovative. I can upload it on LinkedIn. Bhai, you can do it anything. Chalo. With this tool, I made a complete 2026 calendar and got 2000 Dex calendar order. Bhai, crazy Ananya. Chalo. What is your email ID to talk with you? Naresh bhai, you can reach out to me on Instagram. Perfect. Chalo. Can we use it for designing? Bhai, Vishal bhai, that's what we are trying to do. Chalo, let's try to do it with a company. Is there a person, executive person on the call as of now? Live CEO, CTO, CMO, कोई है यहाँ पे? Can I get your designation if there is any one senior executive on the call? We have associate directors, we have directors, we have CTOs, we have CEOs in the house. Um, Anyone here, can you give me a logo or can you tell me a company name that you want me to do this activity? Country head, we have senior executive, founder, director. Can I get your logo on internet? We have BDO, we have director for his 74 age. Oh my god, that's crazy. Umesh bhai, love your attitude towards learning. What else? Perfect. Dreamforce associate. We have chalo. Let me see if I can get the logo of this company. Dreamforce Associates. Is this your company? The person who have written CEO of this company. We have Oracle, UNO, Vare bhai. The chat is going bonkers now. We have crazy amount of executives. Chalo, chalo. Deepak bhai, I've got it. Chalo. Now I'm closing the chat. I'm closing the chat. All the senior executives, Tata Steel, Sanjay Chaudhary. We recently had a Q&A session. I think आपने miss कर लिया है. You can also have a chat with me. No worries, Sanjay bhai. Then we have Radio Bion Systematic. अरे भाई साहब BDO. BDO India LLP. चलो BDO के लिए भी we can do it. BDO India LLP. चलो we'll do it for two things. No worries. Oh, okay. This is, I think, BDO wala top 6. Chalo, we have got the logo for the year as well. दोनों का करते हैं. Chalo, let's do this. We'll start with BDO then. I will just come here, new chat. I think the BDO ka theme is what? Blue and red. So I will try to create an image. I will paste the prompt. जिसको prompt चाहिए मैं chat में भी भेज दूंगा. Please try to write it. थोड़ा लिख लेना while watching the recording. I will narrate it for you. So we have refer to the visuals. Create a set of visual designs for the outdoor sports brand. यहाँ पे sports brand है. You can write accounting brand. कुछ भी रख सकते हो. Name is, I will just mention the name here is BDO. The product inside includes bags, hats. चलो let's try to do it. Water bottle. Someone gave me an idea of water bottle, तो मैंने वो add कर दिया है. The main visual color is green. I don't know main color is what for BDO. Can Priyanka answer me that? The executive of BDO. What's your prime color? And Deepak bhai, tell me your as well. तो दोनों activity हो जाएगा. So only two people will reply. Priyanka and Deepak bhai. Chalo, we have Priyanka writing blue and what's the answer by Deepak by blue? Chalo, we have two options here. Blue hai. I'm closing the chat. Thank you people, all the people replying. So I will write here the main color is here blue. Their brand color is blue. So I will chalo. Let's do this blue with a simple and modern style. अगर प्रियंका का और कोई requirement रहेगा, she wanted to be minimalistic, aesthetic, ये वो, she can mention that as well. ठीक है? And I will give you this prompt as well. Meanwhile, in the chat box, the people who might be waiting for this, Control C and Control V. Chalo. We have the first. First is packaging bag. We are trying to create a packaging bag for Priyanka ma'am. See this. Do you love it? Is it aligning with your brand? Chalo, we have a bag here. Let me try to complete all of it. फिर मैं chat खोलता हूँ. We'll do it for both the parties. One is for BDO person Priyanka and one is a CEO of a Dreamforce Associate Deepak. Oh my god, मेरे को तो बहुत पसंद आया. Absolutely love the hat. I think मैंने chat close रखा है, but I think all the people might be loving it. चलो एक एक feedback लेते हैं. How is the hat, guys? I think it's 10 on 10. Is it 10 on 10? Too cool. By the way, the feedback from the lady, Priyanka ji, the BDO executive, top executive at BDO. What's your take on this? Uh, Chalo, what else? What else? What else? Did I got the response from Priyanka? Chalo, nahi dikh raha hai, but I think she might have liked it. What else? Excellent. Chalo, let's move to the next set of visuals. Priyanka said, superb, awesome. Chalo, badhiya. How is this? How is this? भाई card holder है ये. Crazy out there gear. मजा आ गया भाई. I liked it. I personally like this. It's bravo. Crazy भाई. चलो, let's go to the next product. Oh ho ho. Three different options. BDO out there gear, BDO explore, endure and discover. Band भी मुझे पसंद आया है. मुझे तो पसंद आया. What's the audience here? ऑडियंस को भी पसंद आया. लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन एंड द लास्ट ऑप्शन इज सम बॉक्स. व्हाट ये क्या है? लेट मी जस्ट रीड आउट. Water bottle cartoons. Okay, so it's something where you store your water bottle in. Chalo, that's also great. And now let's try to do it for the next person in the house, which is the CEO at Dreamforce. Chalo, I will take the logo of Dreamforce from here. Let me just copy the image. Where is a Gemini? I will paste it here. I will enable the create video का option and let me just copy the prompt. मैंने prompt कहाँ रखा था? चलो, let me just paste the prompt here. What's your brand? Is it a sport brand? What kind of brand is Dreamforce? Can you give me a word for it, Deepak ji? Priyanka is saying thanks a ton. You're welcome. It's a marketing consultancy, marketing brand. I will write here marketing consultancy. Nahi? है ना? Just copy it from the chat. Not able to copy it from. नहीं, आप Zoom से copy नहीं कर सकते. It's a restrictions by Zoom. It's not something in my hand or else I would have given you already. ठीक है. चलो, the main color is blue जैसे कि दीपक भाई ने बोला था. And let's try to create an entire end-to-end brand thing for deep Dreamforce associates in the house. चलो. What else? What else? Oh, sorry, I kept the name Skill Nation, so I think there would be an error. Let me just go to the new chat. वापस कर लेंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. We'll copy the thing from here. It's not marketing consultancy. I will get the prompt from here. Wait just a sec. थोड़ा prompt control C. See this guys, it's that easy. अगर अभी मैंने किसी को hire करा रहता तो I might have told him to do it again. But since we are in the world of AI era, this is the beauty of it. Dreamforce. Force FORCE associates. ठीक है. मजा आने वाला है guys. I think this would be one of the great examples. And where is the image for him? I will just copy it from here, paste it here, and I think here we go. Chal. Let's do this. It's for Dream Associates. Modern Blue है, marketing consultancy है. Waiting for the results. I've done for my company, Nishan Bhai. That's crazy, guys. All the people telling me to do it for their own company, learn from Nishan Bhai. He has already done it for his own company. तो आप खुद भी कर सकते हो. ठीक है भाई, मजा आया. Did you loved it? Deepak Bhai and others, did you loved it? I think this is absolutely on point. Chalo, let me go to the oh ho 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 ho. The cap is also again absolutely crazy. Maza aa gaya, maza aa gaya. Then let's go to the next thing. We have a associate card as well. ठीक है भैया, तो market से we can make it, but still you can even make it. I particularly like this logo. It's the logo of Dreamforce. Nice. Attention to details. We have again a card and the bands which this guy can give to his employees before printing. And then we have cartoon design, the last box ka design. Oh my god, is there anyone from ecom background here? Does you involve in packaging or ये सब में है कोई? You can do this as well. चलो. Can we give this to printer shops? They need raw file. Priya Darshini ji, you can give the idea of it कि मेरे को ऐसा चाहिए. So your brainstorming thing can be reduced by almost 90%. Now you can tell the printer guy ये चाहिए, he will make it. That's his problem, not yours. Crazy. Maza aa gaya. It's amazing. Such an brilliant creation. Deepak bhai has got the approval. Can I get logo from internet? Yes, you can get it from anywhere. Government Institute of Chemical Engineering. Ramana, take it as a homework. Try to do it yourself. Okay? What specification of laptop is required? Renuka ji, there is no specification. एक Windows 10 है, 11 है, that's fine. More than enough because we are all using it on browser. ठीक है? Now see the craziest thing you will ever see. What's that, Hardik? Guys, now I will ask this to, I think this is something ladies would agree to it. But again, it's there are different use cases. Ladies का भी है, gents का भी है, businesses का भी है. But first question to ladies, how many of you always have this problem that Hardik, I have so many props to wear. ये भी पहनना है, ये भी पहनना है, ये भी पहनना है, but I'm always confused. Is that a me problem? All the ladies in the house, is that a me? Priyadarshi, okay, got it. Yes, me. So many ladies in the house. Now see this, see this. I have got one crazy solution for all the ladies in the house. My wife problemless. All the husbands are also agreeing to that. So I've got a solution. I'm closing the chat. Dekh lo, maza aega. So you can create a collage like this, like, or you can upload multiple image, whatever is fine. कि ये हो गया, वॉच हो गया, कार हो गया, पर्स हो गया, ब्रेसलेट हो गया, ज्वेलरी हो गई, वॉट एवर यू हैव इट, अपलोड ऑल द इमेजेस. See this, upload all the images. कहाँ गया? I will just select the tool, create nano banana. I will upload that particular image. And now you have to write this prompt. ठीक है? I will give you the prompt in the chat. If you are on your Zoom call, take a screenshot of it. अगर मोबाइल से ज्वाइन किया तो screenshot कर लेना, बाद में you can write it down. ठीक है? Now see this. It's prompt all about the lady. So refer to this image, generate a supermodel wearing the white dress, plain silver bag. ये सब आपको mention करना पड़ेगा. Whatever props you are uploading. If you're uploading some golden jewelry, तो लिख देना. All the ladies in the house, okay? And now see this. Just paste the prompt and click on image. AI will understand all of it. It will create automatically. I will show you the live examples as well. Don't worry. See this. But let me show you this first. It's creating an image. Guys, see this. उसके पर्स, ब्रेसलेट, बाइक सब आजू बाजू आ गया. दिस इज समथिंग वी हैव एडेड एज वन. इट हैज क्रिएटेड मल्टीपल रेप्लिकेशंस ऑफ इट. कैन यू सी द लेडी वाज सिंगल जस्ट लाइक अ मॉडल. तो उसके हाथ में कुछ नहीं था. फर्स्ट द पर्स केम वेयर वी हैव अपलोडेड द पर्स. दूरबीन आ गया उसके हाथ में. देन वी हैव द ब्रेसलेट हियर. देन वी हैव द बाइक हियर. कैन यू सी वी हैव अपलोडेड द बैक साइड ऑफ द बाइक, बट उसने प्रॉपरली कैप्चर कर लिया. ओके. एंड व्हाट एल्स? एंड दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रॉप्स. It's done. Hardik, can I download it? आप download भी कर सकते हो. If someone is like, Hardik, I want to share it with my friend or my colleague, या ऐसा कुछ है, you can even download it an HD photo of it. Hardik, what if I want to try something different? I want to have some background which is some corporate look देना चाहिए, तो upload a corporate background वाला image और just tell it to change it to corporate background. वो भी हो जाएगा. That's the power of AI. You can put multiple images which are not might relevant to each other. If you can see in our example, ये bike और lady का कोई relevance ही नहीं है. There is zero relevance. And the desert. Desert is completely opposite of all the things here mentioned here. But still, AI was able to create it. And now, guys, understand the entire industries are getting disrupted. Hardik, Q, because think of it. Think of it like you are someone a production guy जिसको ये बनाना है. You would have traveled with your team into a desert या कोई स्टूडियो में where you have created an artificial desert. Then you would have got this prompt. ये बाइक का खर्चा, मॉडल का खर्चा, ड्रेस का खर्चा, लेडी का खर्चा, फोटोग्राफर का खर्चा, लाइट बॉय, स्पॉट बॉय, ये वो. This big cost, we have done it right now without even moving from our chair or calling someone or giving someone else a problem. Can you imagine the disruption which is going to happen in our industry? No cameraman required, no ye wo nahi required. Done. And Hardik, will it replace the people? No. As of now, it's not at this moment, but we at the same moment we need to realize कि this is just the beginning. अगर beginning में ये हाल है तो 5 years down the line, 3 years down the line, I'm strongly saying this, like majority people will lose their job wherever this AI thing is coming. So Hardik, what's the point here? The point here is कि आपका job जाने के पहले you become a person who is already a AI proof. So if tomorrow in your office something is coming like this, you might be like, I am doing this for a year now. मेरे को आता है. Don't worry, I am chill. You are relaxed. But all your colleagues and other people, just like you are feeling right now, कि अरे क्या हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, this people will feel it after 6 months, 1 year down the line. So I'm making you prepared for this particular situation. जब आएगा तो you will be relaxed. You will be happy कि I've already learned it from Hardik. I don't have to be panicking here and there. That's the beauty of these classes. Are you happy? Have you got my vision for you? How's it? Let me know in the chat. Crazy, mind-boggling, happy, 110% happy. And one word from the ladies in the house. Have you got your solutions? Try it after this particular class. Kapil Bhai, thank you so much. Fantastic, awesome. All the ladies, all the husbands are also happy. Chalo, perfect. Most problem solved in selecting attire. Super crazy. Yeah, you can try it as well. चलो मैं एक बार करके दिखाता हूँ. The people who might be having कि ये कैसे हो सकता है. चलो let me see if I can do it. As of now मेरे पास उसका कोई example नहीं है. So I will have to upload my own particular photo. But चलो let's do it. यहाँ पे मैंने किया है. चलो let me try to do it again. See this. Create an image using the image above. Do not change my face, do not change my skin color, do not change anything about my specification. Just change my outfit. Do not even change the background. Put a white shirt on me without changing a single thing. Also, add a sunglasses, add some props in my hand like watch, and give me a final image. So this is just for the ladies in the house जिसको नहीं समझ रहा how you will use it in your personal life का केस में. So मैंने अभी just एक image ऐड किया है. Again you can add your watch का image as well. एक फोटो मोबाइल से लेके डाल दो. If you have some bracelet या ऐसा कुछ है propped some jewelry तो उसका खींच के डाल दो and you're done. And all the gents in the house आपको तो live example मिल रहा है. See this. Can I get checkmate in the chat box? Are you all checkmate? Checkmate? Really nice. How many people are happy or outfit problem solved? I just created an image for my jewelry business. Loki, that's crazy. Raja ban gaye gentleman. Nitin, because this is new tool ना नया tool है. Nitin is asking कि कभी कभी face change क्यों हो जाता है? Because it's learning. But imagine after 1 year down the line, अगर ये output अभी है, after 1 year down the line, everyone is going to go crazy. Chalo, that's great. All the people saying looking handsome, thank you. I did it for my son. That's crazy. Chalo. Perfect. What is the star mark? It's the star mark of the Google Gemini. उसका logo है. Kaushik bhai will help you. Don't worry. चलो ठीक है. Now the next thing, the last thing for this particular thing. Can I get excited in the chat? The last exercise for today. Are you all excited? Chalo. Now I'm going to close the chat box. I'm going to close the chat box. Since we are doing this with my exercise only, तो मैं इसको download कर लेता हूँ. I'm going to save this image. And now, guys, you have to go on Google and search for VO3. VO3 Gemini. You will get the first particular pro. ये यहाँ पे आएगा. You have to come on that. You have to try VO. And you have to do all the signups वाला option. ठीक है? See this. It's free of charge. Okay, I just for people who might be confusing कि paid है ये है वो है. Free of charge है. Now, once you sign up there, यहाँ पे आपको बताता हूँ. See this. I've downloaded. What I'm going to do is I will open a new chat. नाउ यू अगेन डू नॉट मिसकम्युनिकेट. यहाँ पे जाके आपको साइन अप करना पड़ेगा. यू गाइस विल एबल टू यूज VO3 यहाँ पे. हार्दिक, व्हाई नॉट जस्ट लाइक यू Because I've upgraded my plan. I don't want that problem that I have to log in here and there, because this is my daily use, right? I'm into this industry. I'm doing this for over a years now. But I understand you might be a marketing, sales or admin या HR, कुछ अलग हो सकता है आपका profile. You might be not a AI coach. So आपके लिए required नहीं है, chill and relax. But I'm just showing you the use case. I will upload this image which is already created by AI. And now convert this image into video where the boys in this particular video, boy will say, "Hi everyone, I love you all for choosing this community." That's it. Do not change anything else in this particular video. Make it look super realistic and ultra HD. यहाँ पे रियल एस्टेट लिखा है. I will make it realistic. And now guys, I uploaded one image, जो real image था. Then I created one AI image with specs on my face and white t-shirt on me, which I was not wearing at that time. And अभी वो image, which is already an AI image, उससे I'm trying to create a video. And the thing here is, since this is something a very initial stage, so you cannot create a video above 1 minute or not even 1 minute, above I think 10 seconds, 10 या 8 seconds का ही limit है. You cannot do that. But now see this. By the way, anyone who's like, Hardik, how to use VO3 for free? Google पे जाके लिखना how to use VO3 for free. You will get ample of it. फर्स्ट URL सी मिल जाएगी, एक दो वीडियो भी मिल जाएगा. यू कैन वॉच इट यहाँ पे, या तो पहला ही लिंक मिल जाएगा. सो जस्ट क्लिक ऑन ट्राई वीओ, साइन इन करना पड़ेगा. आप फर्स्ट लाइक 3-4 टाइम्स यू कैन क्रिएट फॉर फ्री. बट बिफोर इवन क्रिएटिंग फॉर योरसेल्फ, देख तो लो क्या बनेगा. Then you will be super excited and boost up after this class to do it something like this. It takes around 2 minutes. We have started this exercise around 8. So let's wait for 2 minutes. I've kept the chat by Banya. Ha! It's looking HD. It's looking realistic. I'm going to play, guys. And this is what I have to say to every one of you.
Hi everyone, Abhishan Swatiniki ka back for you all. I love you all for choosing this community. Hi everyone.
So it has, I think, उसने क्या बोला, I don't know. I love you all for choosing this community. Hi everyone, but I think sound was something off, but चलो देख लेते हैं. Hardik, how to add your sound on this? That's something altogether a different ball game. We'll talk about that in coming classes as well. Don't worry. See this.
Everyone, Abhishan Swatiniki ka back for you all. I love you all for choosing this community. Hi everyone.
Hardik, can I download this? Can I share it to my manager? Can I share it to my wife? ये वो. I know all the ideas might be going in your head. So see this.
Hi everyone, Abhishan Swatiniki ka back for you all.
Can you even imagine? Can you see my specs, guys? See this. It's like someone is, it's having a reflection on the specs जो मैंने पहना भी नहीं था. And now listen to my message for you people.
Swatiniki ka back for you all. I love you all for choosing this community.
Is it a mic drop moment? Sanjay Shingal, I've read your comment. Crazy. Can we add music to this? Anything you can do it. All the people saying love you too. Thank you so much. My God, escalation is the boost on my career. Kapil bhai, thank you. Amrut has shared some outcome which he has created. Let me see. Oh my God. Amrut, that's crazy. Guys, can you see this? Amrut has created some brand things for his own images. Oh, ho, bhai, this is crazy. For his own brand. Nano Banana and Gemini में क्या फर्क है? Nano Banana is a product by Gemini. Is there any tool who WhatsApp Hindi audio into a written form and the same on the Word file? Sanjay, Notebook LLM. Perfect. Very grateful. Love you. Love you. Yes, lovely. Thank you. Thank you. Perfect. Will you convert my family pack into 12 pack? सब हो सकता है भाई. How to remove the logo from video? That's not possible as of now. ठीक है. How to use View 3? प्रियंका जी अब भी मैंने बताया. I've said it again and again multiple times. आपको मिल जाएगा. गूगल करोगे थोड़ा मिल जाएगा. चलो. Sessions can be created with a blink of eye. Absolutely. Is there a tool for preparation report? वो सब ऑलरेडी हो गया है. गो थ्रू द कोर्सेज. पीपल आस्किंग पीपीटी फ्रॉम पीडीएफ. ये सब कोर्स में कवर्ड है. वी आर लर्निंग हियर फ्यूचरिस्टिक थिंग्स. Madhu ji, that's what I'm telling. Madhu Menon, it's in the initial stage. Just think of it 6 years down the line. If I upload, can I get a text? Yeah, that's something any tool can do. For how many seconds I can make a video? 8 to 10 seconds. Small video. Yes, crazy bhai. Driving in car. Please focus on driving. Chalo. Karan's iPad right to support my team will help you. Okay? Please take regular classes. It motivates to study more. Mary ji, I wish I could have. In free version as well. Pooja ji, yes. Can I create a logo of Gemini out of my business? Rahul ji, yes, just describe it to create a logo. Bana dega. Rahul Chatterjee, give me what's your business? Tell me what's your business in one line. Connecting dots is awesome, Krishna ji. Thank you. Can we have multiple images and make them communicate? Sagar ji, yes as well. Where I will get this prompt in the recording और यहाँ पे से मैं दे देता हूँ चाहिए तो. ठीक है. Line of poultry products. Line of poultry products. Just write it ऐसे और लिखो create a logo for a business which is doing this. This is our main services. This is our core values. आपका इमेज रेडी हो जाएगा. प्रोडक्ट रेडी हो जाएगा. कैन वी हैव लोगो ऑफ डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स? एनीथिंग. चलो मैं करता हूँ. एक बार मैं कर लेता हूँ. सी दिस. परफेक्ट. व्हाट्स योर बिजनेस नेम? राहुल चैटर्जी. एक डूइंग इट फॉर द लास्ट टाइम फॉर राहुल भाई एंड देन वी कॉल इट फॉर द डी. ओके. सो सी दिस. आई हैव रिटन द थिंग्स. लाइन ऑफ प्रोडक्ट और इसका पोल्ट्रीवा. सी दिस. Now, guys, I'm closing the chat. Just give me 2 minutes. Huh? Bala Mukund, watch the screen. All the people. या चैट जीपीटी से भी आप लोगो कर सकते हो. देयर आर मेनी थिंग. देयर आर लोगो एआई. ये वो बहुत है. बट चलो लेट्स सिंस वी आर यूजिंग दिस नाउ सी दिस. आई एम नॉट गेटिंग द ऑडियो वाला बटन बट ठीक है. क्रिएट अ लोगो फॉर माय ब्रांड नेम. राइट हियर ब्रांड नेम इज पोल्ट्रीवा या पता नहीं इफ आई एम नॉट प्रोनाउंसिंग इट राइट. वी आर a line. We offer a line of poultry products. Whatever your products are, आप mention कर सकते हो. You can even mention the core values, the one liner for your business. ऐसा कुछ लिख के just click on enter. This is just to make you understand. Rahul and other people who are thinking कि ये हो सकता है वो हो सकता है. I want you to change your mindset forever. Always have an attitude. कुछ भी हो सकता है. See this. Can we rate this logo out of 10? All the people. What's your take? Let me know in the chat. लोगो बन गया भाई. किसी को हायर नहीं करना है. ना ग्राफिक डिजाइनर ना लोगो मेकर कुछ नहीं. जस्ट योर थॉट्स एंड एआई टूल्स. सुनील वर्मा 10, साजय सिंह 9, मैरी सिंह 100, अतुल इज 10, निशांत इज गिवन 1000. और मैं ये सब मजाक में नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. आई कैन शो यू द स्क्रीनशॉट्स एज वेल. सी दिस. आई विल गिव यू द स्क्रीनशॉट्स फ्रॉम वन. So Rahul Chatterjee, this is the power of AI in front of you. See this, I'm uploading their documents here. Just a sec. Mera don't save. See this, I will just upload it here. यहाँ पे देखो. See this राहुल भाई. सुनील वर्मा, शाजिया, मैरी, अतुल, निशान, सुनील, गुलाब चंद, कृष्णा, प्रतीश, मजीद and then there are संतोष सिंह. People who have written 110. ये भाई इससे भारी लोगों क्या चाहिए आपको? Crazy. Gayatri, try it out. Try it out. Too good. Egg, chicken, brand name, everything very clean. Hardik, can I use this? You can absolutely use it. By print it, make it your brand. You are the owner of this, and make a trademark registration. Khatam ho gaya. You are legally owner of it. चलो crazy. YouTube thumbnails भी आप इससे बना सकते हो. Yeah, you can download this. See this. I will download this. चलो, I will download this. ये देखो. I will just open this. बस happy is what's your take, Rahul Chatterjee? Is it trademark? Can we make a trademark legally? Yes. Why did you create Skill Nation? Skill Nation मैंने क्यों बनाया भाई? यही कि इसके लिए. Adik bhai, can you please help me out to create a short business promo? We are not able to promo video suggest. Bhai, try to apply learnings from this class. आपका हो जाएगा. How many images can be done with free Gemini per day? I'm not sure. The limit was around 100. ठीक है. What else? Hardik, can you send me this logo? Yeah, sure. Here it is. Guys, see this live हो रहा है ये सब. This is all live. See this. I've sent the logo here in the chat. खत्म. यही logo है ना? I think let me just open it. No, I've sent wrong image. Just give me a sec. कहाँ गया? कहाँ गया? I think I don't know which is that image, but चलो जितना बना है I will just send it to you. Here it is. The logo is in the chat. Instant delivery. Guys, how many people have heard that people charge some amount for logo making? Can I get me in the chat? Have you heard people pay this amount, that amount in India? 2, 5, 10,000, 20,000. Some people pay in US dollars. How many people are like anyone would easily pay? If you have a US client, you can easily charge them $299, $399 for this. How many people agree to this? आप पैसा भी कमा सकते हो. मैं राहुल जी को ये दे के बोलता था द कॉस्ट इज 3,000. राहुल भाई हैड वुड हैव गिवन मी 100%. क्रेजी. तो आपको और एक आइडिया दे दिया हाउ टू मेक मनी यूजिंग एआई. परफेक्ट. Is there a copyright legal issue if we use this through Gemini? No. Can I make a logo that demonstrates a combination of egg, chicken, and other products putting together? हाँ भाई, just you just have to tell it. Okay. Now guys, ad agency charge 10 to 15 lakhs for an event just to create a logo. Shiva, the sky is the limit, guys. Sky is the limit. जितना आपका brain use करेंगे आप उतना जल्दी you can make money. Can we create CDR file? No, CDR file is as of now not cannot be done. Corel Draw file, right, Sagar bhai? Yes, chalo. Now, guys, can I share one more mind blowing thing? 50 minutes with Hardik done. Today's session is done. Did you realize? We are together for over 50 minutes now. We started around 8:20. Isn't it crazy? I like this community. A big thank you. Pata hi nahi chala. Download JPG and use it online converter to get a CDR file. Lo, we have a solution. Crazy HR. Time का पता नहीं चला. चलो, thank you. Can we also do this through mobile app? Absolutely yes. Mobile mein, guys, everything what we have done today, you can do it in your mobile phones. Download from App Store, Google Gemini. Yes, it passed by in a whisker. This is my best meeting. Oh my God. Appreciate a lot. I've only joined 2 classes and you're so mind blown. Show me to make money using AI. Bhai, I will create one class on that only. Okay? I've created on mobile only. Yeah, Amrut, that's crazy. Chalo, perfect. Saying with respect to that, guys, I hope everyone wants to play Garba और मुझे भी गरबा खेलने जाना है. Can I take your leave? Do I have your permissions? Are you happy with today's class? You're an amazing mentor. Thank you, G. Thanks a lot. Bye. Enjoy. You too. Beg is not giving me permission. Beg G, please give me the permission to leave. Happy Dandiya. Yes, yes, yes. Enjoy. I hope we would have played Garba together. Bhai, I do agree to that. Thank you. Happy play Garba, everyone. Enjoy a lot. Chalo. Hardik, can I message you? I have some personal discussions. Yeah, buddy, you can message me on Instagram. Here is my Insta ID. Big, you can also message me there. यहाँ पे मेरा Insta ID, any personal chats, do not worry, it will stick to me only. ठीक है? चलो. Can we make poster making? बहुत कुछ करेंगे. ठीक है? Next time I will do everything. We have a AI tool. Can I create a 3D elevation or for my floor plan? सागर भाई बहुत सारे. In fact, Sagar bhai, I was trying to create my own 3D plans with myself without architecture. So आप जाओगे गूगल पे लिखोगे हाउ टू कन्वर्ट योर 2D प्लान इनटू 3D. 2D और PDF है बहुत सारे सागर भाई. आर्किटेक्चर से ये भी एक है, देखो मेरे को एक याद है, rooms.ai. rooms AI. You rooms.ai. हाँ ये रहा. AI interior designer. You can try for free. Sagar bhai, any if there is any architecture. See this. You can design your homes as well. Like the sky is the limit. Every industry is going to get disrupted. Sure. I've created a logo for my dream company, Moondeep. Aha, nice. Privacy of making logo privacy. Niharika ji, chill karo, relax karo. Do not worry. ठीक है. Poster making will do it, Pragati ji, next time. ठीक है. See your WhatsApp. We are not available on WhatsApp. Please support me on Instagram, LinkedIn पे मैं बहुत famous हूँ. Anywhere you can contact me. ठीक है. Can you copy this in the chat? Yeah, sure. Here it is. ठीक है. Sure. Happy Navratri. Enjoy a lot. Play Garba if there is a Garba at your place, or else watch TV. Enjoy with your family. Chalo. Saying with respect to that, can I get a bye from you people? Bye to bol do. I will wrap up the call. Chalo. Bye. Happy Navratri. Happy Navratri. Enjoy the day too. Yeah. Perfect. Enjoy. Someone is rating. I'm going Gopia. Watch Gopia play Garba. Chalo. I will just close the chat, close the recording. Tada, bye bye. Love you all.